Pradhan Mantri Jan-dhan Yojana was one of the first decisions taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014. Why was this scheme important? Well, the objective of jan-dhan Yojana was to increase penetration of banking services across the country, making sure the weakest and low-income groups have access to a basic savings bank account, facilities to transfer funds, and access to insurance and pension. The plan was to ensure at least one basic banking account for every household, a RuPay debit card for beneficiaries with an accident insurance cover for 1 lakh. The same account would be used for transferring government benefits and all direct benefit transfers. All this would be done by leveraging technology. The government wanted to use the JAM Trinity or jan-dhan, Aadhaar and mobile to bring unbanked people into the banking sector. So 10 years on, what is the progress of this massive financial inclusion program? More than 53.2 crore beneficiaries who are not part of the financial system now have bank accounts. The total balance in beneficiary accounts is over rupees 2.29 lakh crore. Close to 12 lakh bank mitras or bank agents are delivering banking services in the remotest corners of the country where there are no bank branches. Nearly 30 crore or 57% of the beneficiaries are women. 35 crore or two-thirds of the beneficiaries are from rural and semi-urban areas. The percentage of households that have a bank account or a post office account is almost the same in urban and rural areas at about 95%. What Jan-dhan Yojana has also done is increase the total internet subscribers from 251 million in March 2014 to 954 million in March 2024. The number of digital transactions have grown from 2.2 billion in FY 2014 to 185 billion in FY 24. PM Jan-dhan Yojana has become the backbone of India's digital economy. Rural India is poised to lead the country's e-commerce surge, with the market projected to reach $325 billion by 2030. As a result of Jan-dhan Yojana and the focus on JAM Trinity, India has today become the third largest fintech ecosystem globally. At least 3,000 fintech startups are registered with the government. Indian fintech startups raised $5.65 billion in 2022 and account for over 14% share of global funding. Indian fintechs were the second most funded startup sector in India in 2022. Jan-dhan, Aadhaar and new telecom policy have become the basis for schemes such as Mudra loans, Fasal Bima Yojana, Awas Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, PM Kisan, PM Seva Nidhi. During COVID-19, 200 million women Jan-dhan account holders received timely financial support. According to PwC, there were 131 billion total transactions via UPI in FY24, and this is expected to increase to 439 billion by FY29. That's not all. UPI accounts for over 80% of overall retail digital payments in India and is expected to contribute to 91% of the payments by 2028 and 2029. The growth in India's fintech ecosystem has been the talking point at the Global Fintech Summit. The Prime Minister said that Jan-dhan Yojana over the last 10 years has become a powerful tool for women's empowerment. He also added that in the last 10 years, fintech space has attracted investments worth $31 billion and fintech startups have seen a 500% growth in India. The RBI governor has said that the central bank now wants to make UPI and RuPay a truly global payment system, and he also said that the ULI or Unified Lending Interface along with UPI and JAM will drive further growth in India's financial ecosystem. He called it the new trinity of JAM, UPI and ULI.